Hey everyone, this is Albert Chen. Welcome to 301 Greenway in Georgetown, Texas. This property is located in a subdivision called Morningstar. We're actually zoned to Santa Rita School, and a lot of people want to go to Santa Rita School. But the best part about living in Morningstar is that we are able to go to Santa Rita School. However, we have our own amenity, including three resort-style pools, tons of walking trails, playgrounds, sports courts, you name it, without having to pay the higher HOA fees that Santa Rita offers. We even have a planned social calendars with events throughout the year, such as National Night Out in October. This particular property sits on the corner lot. It's almost 2,600 square feet. It has 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, including 2 suites, one up, one down. The best feature about this property is the fact that you don't have anybody or anything above the living room. Literally allow you to enjoy the natural sunlight throughout the day. From upstairs, you also have an expansive view from the bonus room looking down to the living room, kitchen, and dining room. I can't wait to show this to you. Come on in.